Let's assume that you are a pro thumbnail maker and you are the best editor too, but if you fail in the tags section, then your efforts will be wasted because your videos will not go to your targeted audience. And no matter how much best you have made the thumbnail, they are not going to click it because they are not interested in it. It's basically like this. If you have made the videos for the USA audience and your video is ranking in some other countries, then your channel is not going to get more views and ultimately your channel will be dead.
Oh, come on, bro. Then tell me how to reach the right audience.
Bro, I know your problem, so I have made this video. I will tell you 3 different ways to find viral tags in just 2 minutes, and you can use any one of them, or else you can use 3 ways also. But personally, I use the 3rd way, and it's also more effective, and I will also tell you how to pick and add those tags correctly. Firstly, keep in mind about this point, getting the right tags for the right audience. So now we are going to search for the right tags. So for finding the right tags, you need to know about your video on which topic you have made it and what all you have explained in your video. Okay, now let's start with our first way. Search for rapid tags in Google and enter your video topic here, and it gives you the tags which are trending. And wait, it's not over. Now copy all the tags and paste it in notes. And now we move on to the second point. You can search your video topic and it gives you the tags. Remember that. Copy the tags which are above 55 only, because as you can see here, there are 2 categories. One is the competition and another one is the search volume. Search volume means how many of them are searching for that specific tags, and competition means how many videos are made using that tag. If the search volume is high, then no problem, you can copy those tags even though the competition is high. But if the competition is high and the search volume is low, then I prefer to leave that tag and go for another one. Now the 3rd way. This is the most effective way, because I have used all the ways, but personally I felt this is a more effective and accurate way. Go to the YouTube search section and search some 3 to 4 words related to your video. After that, YouTube suggests you some trending tags related to that word. Now you can use these in your videos. And keep in mind that sometimes the viewers may make spelling mistakes in searching, and these kinds of tags will also help you. So I have told you about the 3 ways to search for tags. Now how to add them correctly. Some creators make mistakes here. They will first publish the video, and after that they will edit the video and add the tags. Bro, this is a completely wrong method, because you have already published the video, and the algorithm has already started analyzing your video. Make sure that you add the tags before publishing the video. I suggest you keep the video unlisted and add all the required data, including the tags. After that, publish the video. And keep in mind that YouTube provides you the tags section with a limit of 500 words. I personally add my channel name as first tag, and some creators use all the 500 words. Don't do this. Tags are not literally that much important to your videos as much as you have thought. Many big YouTubers will not use this tag section, and you might have also seen that some of the viral videos will not be containing viral tags or proper SEO. So tags only do the work of sending your videos to the right audience. For ranking your videos, you need to do a better SEO, which includes title, description, and tags. So for better SEO, you check out this video. I have explained completely on how to do SEO and how to rank your videos in just 10 hours. So check it once, and if you found this video helpful, then please do subscribe to the channel and keep visiting the channel. Until then, I will meet you in the next video with another great content.